5 things that will fail your CQC inspection and how to fix them fast. If your CQC registered supported living service has any of these 5 issues that I'm about to share with you, your CQC inspection will fail and it will be a disaster. So I want you to tune in to make sure that you will nail your first ever CQC inspection. Number 1, generic care plans. Your care plans must be personalized. They must be person-centered. And if you have a service user that has PTSD triggers, your care plan must evidence this. It must evidence that your support team, as well as extended agencies, are or do have trauma-informed care. And this has to be evidenced within the care plan. So your care plan must be person-centered, must be personalized, and they must be stored digitally so that the CQC inspectors can come in and download them and go through them. Trap number 2, poor medication management. What does it look like to have a sloppy medication process? You have no set days when your medication is going to be delivered. The mark sheets aren't completed properly. They're not double signed. The temperature of your medication cabinet isn't being checked, isn't being logged. And you also have expired medication. Medication should be locked 24/7, should only be accessed by authorized carers or support workers, and the temperature should be taken every single day, especially if you have service users that are using insulin. Trap number 3, outdated staff files. Incomplete staff records, such as your DBSs aren't up to date, you haven't got all of the right references, your induction process hasn't been updated or even done, and mandatory training certificates haven't been completed, and there's no evidence of your one-to-ones and supervision. Trap number 4, weak risk assessments. Overlooking environmental risks, such as frayed carpets, no fire logs, no staff training when it comes to incident reporting, environmental trips and hazards. Every risk has to be updated and there cannot be any exceptions. Trap number 5, lack of governance evidence. Now, CQC do come out and inspect this. So if you are not having your weekly meetings with your staff, if you're not having weekly meetings with your leadership teams, and if you're not showing evidence of audits, monthly audits, weekly audits, quarterly audits, also internal audits that you and your you as a director and the nominated individual, if you're not doing all of these audits, you're not showing evidence that your service is being well led, your CQC inspection will fail. The bottom line is no documents, CQC inspection failure. Ultimately, it can lead to your business failing also. And we don't want that now, do we? I absolutely understand that everything that I've just spoke about seems like a lot, and it does seem overwhelming. And when I first started my business, it was overwhelming because I didn't have anyone there to tell me what to do, to guide me through this. And it was difficult to start with. And that's the reason why we started Prosperity Housing Group franchise, because you are going to have good systems, good governance, good staffing protocols, good, good medication management protocols and systems. You're going to have this from the start because we teach you from the start. So as soon as you decide to join our franchise, we set you up to win. Okay, because we set you up to be having your good governance and everything from day one. We don't just give you a checklist and say, go ahead, good luck. No, we don't do that. We prepare you every step of the way so that you remain compliant. You start compliant and you remain compliant. Now, let me break it down for you. Okay, we ensure that you are responsive so that you can design your service so that it is responsive to the needs of every single service user that you have. We ensure that your service is safe. From infection control to safeguarding, we ensure that you embed safety in every aspect of your service. We make sure that you are effective so that you can implement life-changing transformations to your service users. Using evidence-based practices. Caring. We'll coach you to deliver care with compassion, dignity, and respect, just like how you would like your loved ones to be taken care of. We ensure that you are well led. Our leadership training ensures that your governance isn't just a paperwork exercise, it's an engine of quality. And this is what Prosperity Housing Group franchise stands by. What I've just spoken about just now isn't just like one training. No, we have trainings every fortnight on Mondays at 10:30 a.m. where we go through every single aspect of the governance, of the medication, of everything that I've mentioned today and more, because we want to make sure that you have a business that thrives, that also is safe and it's caring, and that is going to pass your CQC inspection. So if right now you are ready and you know that it's a yes for you, a yes from the soul, a yes from the heart, a yes from your mind to say right now, I want to start my own CQC registered supported living business, all you need to do is download my free guide at www.phgfranchise.co.uk and read the guide and book a call with me. And we are going to help you to set up your business so that you can build a life for yourself, a legacy for you and your children, and most importantly, help so many people out there that are vulnerable and need a safe place to live. Take care. Bye.